guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny, and in today's video I have a makeup tutorial on this bronze eye look that I pair with this super fun and beautiful bright coral lips. I am obsessed with this look, you guys. It's been a while since I haven't done a halo cut crease eye look situation, so I'm so excited for you guys to learn and see this makeup look. This look is perfect for a date night in at home since we're in quarantine right now. So if you want to have fun and play with makeup and learn how to get this makeup look, then just continue watching. Okay, so I'm starting off by priming my face using my Hydrating Pure Canvas Primer from Mercier. I absolutely love this primer. It's one of my favorites at the moment. For foundation, I'm using my Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation, and I'm in the shade Olive. This foundation, I've talked about it before. It gives you such a beautiful finish. It looks very natural. It covers, I think coverage-wise, I would say is a medium. But I just love the finish. This shade is just my exact match, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so next I'm using my Milk Makeup Bronzing and Contour Stick, and I'm applying this to the hollows of my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead, and also on my jawline. I absolutely love this cream contour product. I've talked about it a million times, but I'm obsessed. I probably need to try something new for you guys, but I just love it so much. I'm going to be doing my brows using my Private Society Cosmetics On Point Brow Pencil. So I'm just drawing hair-like strokes on the beginning of the brow, working the product all the way to the tail, and then using the little spoolie to just blend the product in. So for concealer, I'm using the new e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this is the first time that I use it here on my channel. I got it recently and I am obsessed. I love this concealer 1,000 times better than the regular Camo Concealer, and that's just probably because I have drier skin type at the moment. So if you tried the regular Camo Concealer and for some reason thought that it was too drying, try this one. It's 1,000 times better. I absolutely love it, and I cannot believe how affordable it is. I love it. It gives you such a beautiful finish. As you can see, it's just flawless. And I'm just using, as always, my Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder to set the concealer in. So now we're moving on to the eyeshadows, and I'm just using my Sigma little eyeshadow base primer for the eyeshadows. Next, I'm using my Viseart Warm Mattes eyeshadow palette, and using that brown shade, I'm gonna start applying it on my crease, and I'm depositing this all along the crease, side to side, slowly blending and building this color up. With a flat defining brush, I'm applying the same brown shade all along my lower lash line. First, I like to apply it with this type of brush, and then I switch to a small and super tiny blending brush just to diffuse the shadow out, making sure that everything is well blended. And I'm just slowly doing the same steps on the other eye. Take your time blending everything in, and using this darker brown, I'm going to start applying it on the outer V of the eye. I start by applying the most amount of the product on the outer part of the eye, and then slowly working the color in towards the upper crease with a big blending brush. And I'm applying the same darker brown shade on the inner corner of the eyelid. So basically, I want to create a halo effect because we're going to be cutting the crease afterwards. So you want most of the intensity to be concentrated on the inner and also on the outer parts. Now I'm grabbing my concealer again, and I'm going to start cutting the crease, starting on the very center of the eyelid and then working my way out to the right and left. Take your time if you're not familiar with doing cut crease because you want to make it as precise as possible. So next, I'm actually using highlights from my Glow Getter palette from Private Society, and I apply this right on top of the concealer. Then I go back to the same brown that we used on the crease to blend out the edges. Then I go back to the Glow Getter palette and I use the lightest shade from the palette, applying this all over the center of the eyelid. I just wanted the center to be a little bit brighter. And then you go back to the brown shadows to diffuse and blend out the edges a little bit more. You will see that the key to this look is to add a little bit of the shadows and then blend, add a little bit more and then blend again. That's going to help you to create a seamless transition between all of the colors, so just take your time. Next, I'm going to be adding a soft eyeliner. You can use any, I'm just using this felt tip liner from Private Society. But basically, this is going to create a base for the falsies that we're going to be applying next. I'm not going to wing it out. Like I said, I just wanted some type of base for the falsies. And whenever I want my eyeliner to be very soft, I grab a black eyeshadow. You can add any. I just use this one from this palette. And I go over right on top of the eyeliner and slowly smudge the eyeliner. I don't do it a lot, but like you see right here, it definitely helps to give a smoking effect to the eyeliner, and it just provides a more softer look. Now I'm going to be prepping my lashes for falsies, so just apply a light coat of mascara. And the falsies that I'm going to be using today are by Koko lashes in the style Queen Bee. These are so beautiful and I'm still obsessed with them. Now I'm going back to finish the rest of my face makeup, and I'm grabbing my Sigma Beauty contour palette to set the cream contour that we applied earlier. So I'm just doing the side of my cheeks, forehead, and next I'm moving on to blush. I'm using my Secret Admire blush palette. These blushes are so beautiful. I've talked about them before. And for the glow, I'm going back to the same highlight palette and I'm applying this on the higher points of my cheekbones. Lastly, for my lips, I'm using Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Unattached. I love this shade so much and it's perfect for spring and summer. I'm so excited to be wearing bright colors again. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope that you love it as much as I did because I'm loving this look so much. Okay guys, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, you know what to do. Like this video, leave me a comment down below and share. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy, and with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.